Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Spotify music as alarm on phone. Now if you have your alarm, all you have to do is to turn on your alarm clock and then go to ringtone. And as you can see here, when you tap this ringtone, you cannot see any Spotify option here. Even if you allow this one, you can only see the options here but no Spotify. So the best thing to do here is to exit this alarm application and then go to Google Play Store and then tap any Spotify morning alarm clock, something like that, any keyword that has morning alarm and Spotify. Okay, let's just say, for example, you have to find this application here, morning alarm Spotify for Spotify. So if you can see it on your Google Play Store, all you have to do is to download it or install it. But for me, I cannot see that application here, so I'll just try this Mornify here and see if I can use this application for Spotify. Now click install and then wait for a few seconds. And then once done, all you have to do is to click open. So this is what the application looks like. And in order for you to continue or proceed, all you have to do is to set an alarm and then go to go to the sound icon here or the music icon here, any of this. And then here, all you have to do is, let's just try to type Spotify. If you can see some songs from Spotify here. So just type Spotify. And luckily, I have found some songs in Spotify. So all I have to do is to tap and I can use this for my ringtone to wake me up in the morning. The second thing to do is to go to your Spotify application and then select the song that you wanted to use for your alarm. Okay, let's just say I wanted to use this fetish song from Selena to wake me up in the morning. So all I have to do is to click share and then copy the link. Now go to Google web browser and then type Spotify song download or Spotify music download, something like that, keywords like that. And then, yes, for example, this one, all you have to do is to click that, scroll down, and click this one, Spotify Music Downloader. So paste the link here and then download. Once done, click the download for MP3. Yes, this one. Now go to your alarm clock application, go to ringtone, or you can click this more here. Okay, click ringtone and then click allow. Select from files, click allow again, and look for the fetish song from Selena. So all you have to do is to click that, go back and save. So as you can see, if I'm going to tap this one, I can see here that the music from Selena Gomez or the fetish song will wake me up at 5 tomorrow. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.